In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from New Zealand to an Indian bank account using Wise, and it should take us about 5 minutes. Whether you're supporting family back home or paying for goods and services, Wise offers a straightforward and cost-efficient way to send your hard-earned money overseas. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Wise website. If you already have an account, you can simply log in with your credentials. However, if you're new to Wise, you'll need to sign up. The process is user-friendly, requiring only a few details to get you started. Once you're in, you'll need to set up the specifics of your transfer. Start by selecting the New Zealand dollar or NZD as your currency of choice to send from. Wise is excellent in that it uses the real exchange rate, which can save you a good deal compared to traditional bank transfers. Next, go ahead and click the Send button. This step moves you into the process of specifying the recipient and details of your transaction. From here, you'll see an option to Add Recipient. Click on that to enter the essential information for the person you're sending money to. The next thing you'll need to do is choose the currency you're sending the money in. In this case, it will be the Indian rupee, or INR. Wise makes it easy, as the currency options are clearly displayed for your selection. After that, you'll see a section titled Bank Details. This is where you'll need to decide who your recipient is. Typically, you would choose between a few options, such as a family member, business, or friend. Based on that, you can proceed with entering the necessary details. When entering the information for the recipient, make sure you have the full name of the account holder, the correct IFSC code, and their account number. Accuracy is key here, so double-check each detail to ensure the funds land exactly where you want them. Additionally, Wise allows you to include the recipient's email address. While this step is optional, it can be helpful for sending notifications or keeping records. Before hitting send, take a moment to review your transfer. This includes checking the transfer amount, reviewing any fees, and confirming the exchange rate one final time. Wise is transparent with its costs, so you should see everything clearly itemized. Finally, when you're sure everything looks good, go ahead and confirm the transfer. With that, your money is on its way. Wise will also provide updates on the transfer progress, offering peace of mind that your funds will arrive safely and on time. And there you have it. Send money from New Zealand to an Indian bank account effortlessly and efficiently with Wise. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you now feel confident in managing your international transfers with ease.